Most men are terrified of the friend zone. They see it as the death of their chances of ever being loved by a woman. But what if I told you, for most men, not knowing how to maintain female friends is the exact reason you're struggling in your love life? In this video, I'm going to teach you why you need to befriend the friend zone and how learning how to be friends with certain women will actually completely transform your dating life in better ways than you could ever imagine. The first and one of the best reasons to have female friends, if you're a single guy, is they can set you up with their friends. If you're friends with a girl and you guys have a really great connection, you have safety, you have trust in that friendship, and she sees you as a quality guy, she's going to want her friends to pick you rather than some stranger who could be bad for her friend. So when you have lots of female friends, they can set you up with high quality women versus trying to randomly meet the right girl out on the street. Imagine if you had somebody setting you up with pre-qualified quality women. And she can play matchmaker for you. Makes it a lot easier. Reason number 2, you get to learn how to be more comfortable around women. A lot of guys have a lot of anxiety when it comes to approaching women. When you're friends with women, you just get to spend more time around them and have more interactions that don't have pressure, that are playful, comfortable, enjoyable. And it stops creating this weird divide between men and women, and you stop feeling so uncomfortable around women in general. It helps desensitize you from the nervousness that you feel on dates. And you get to experience what good chemistry feels like with women without the pressure. And you get to just learn how to treat them like normal human beings, which goes a long way to make women feel safe around you in your presence. And safety is necessary for attraction. Reason number 3, social proof. Let's say you're out at a bar and you're with your group of girlfriends. When another girl at that bar you don't know sees you hanging out with attractive women, what do you think she's going to think of you? You've already been pre-qualified by your girlfriends that you are a safe, high-quality man that's worth spending time with. Just because you're not sexual with those girls doesn't mean that that doesn't lead to attraction from other girls. Women vouching for you lowers the guard of other women very fast. They're going to know that you're a safe, high-quality man very quickly, and trust me, that works in your favor when it comes to dating. Reason number 4, you can upgrade your relationship skills. Spending time with platonic female friends helps make you better at the soft skills of relationships. Things like active listening, empathy, humor, banter, these things that make women fall in love with you. You get to do that part of the relationship, the friendship side of it. Every good intimate relationship has a good friendship behind that as well. Because outside of the sex, you need to still enjoy each other's company a lot for a relationship to really work. And when there's disagreement and conflict, you get to practice setting healthy boundaries and practicing the reparative skills of relationships too, which makes you a really good partner. With girlfriends, you can learn how to build emotional safety and trust with the feminine, which makes you a safe, confident, masculine male that women love to be around. And reason number 5, you're gonna get insider info on female psychology. They're gonna help you with dating IQ and understanding how you're coming across to the female perspective. That feedback is super useful. They can help you learn what you're unconsciously doing that's turning women off. They can help you tighten up your dating profiles, your pictures, your Instagram to be more attractive. And if you're dating with women and you're getting mixed signals, your girlfriend's gonna help you understand the female psychology of what's really going on so that you're not just left frustrated and confused. And a good female friend can call you out if you're self-sabotaging or overthinking something. Female friends can help you calibrate your style, your grooming, your outfits, just to make you present even better as well. Trust me, women have better taste in fashion than most men. And all of this comfortability with women is gonna help you not come across as a try-hard or a poser or anything like that. You're not gonna feel desperate for female connection because you have some, even if it's not everything you want yet. And reason number 6, you will become a better man in the process. You're going to better have empathy for the female experience. You're gonna stop idealizing women and putting them on a pedestal, and you're gonna stop resenting them too. If you have any negative beliefs about women as a category, this will help you let go of that. You're gonna become more emotionally mature and less reactive with women. And you get to learn how to be steady, grounded, and respectful even when there isn't attraction. The ability to be the man who is unreactive to rejection who is unbothered if something's not a good fit, who is so fulfilled that he's not needy, he's not desperate, he's not clawing and hoping he gets some, but he's satisfied, he's fulfilled, he's comfortable. That's a man women love. So I really hope this video is giving some rational, reasonable, and good reasons why the friend zone is not a bad thing. There's a lot of perspectives in the red pill community that thinks this is the worst thing in the world and shames men for allowing themselves to have female friends, like you're some kind of beta cuck loser. Understand that a lot of those guys are incels, and they're incels because they don't have a healthy relationship with women. Women feel that, and they are repulsed by that. If having female friends helps you build a healthier, grounded, more positive relationship to women, don't you think that would help you in your dating life? Well, that's my theory for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a new channel trying to grow this thing, so please help me and subscribe. I would love to keep making these videos and offering value. Thank you so much.